Hi guys, I hope you're having a great Saturday. I'm starting off with some exercise, warming up a bit. I was going to go to the gym, but my daughter is with me and she's not allowed in there. So I'm doing a quick workout at home, really trying to get fit and getting back to my normal shape. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and smash that notification button and also share. Please, thank you so much guys. Thank you guys for sticking with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, yes, have a look at my other videos, and if you can relate to it, please, subscribe. That'll be very helpful to help my channel to grow even further. Thank you so much for those who are already subscribed. I can't even speak, but yes, let's go to the kitchen. So guys, I'm going to start off by making some pancakes for myself and my daughter. She'll be joining me here in the kitchen, and we're going to have a lovely time, mother and daughter bonding. So guys, I bought this mixture from a local shop here for £1. I mean, the brand is quite well known, and I think I've tried it in the past. So yes, I'm giving a try again today. But also, I just want to reiterate that it's important for you guys to like and share so the channel can grow. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Let's start making our pancakes. What do I need to do first? Mix 500 ml of cold water and egg and the pancake mix. Okay, so I need water, so 500 ml. So I need a measurement 500 ml. Ooh, that'll be a lot of water. The 500, so we need some more. Just about 500. Okay. Right. I was doubting a bit the egg bit because I was just thinking egg in the water. Okay, I've got eggs in here. Ooh, it's not gonna look very nice. Oh, I don't think it's gonna look. Oh dear. Don't like that. Don't like that in there. No, I don't like this either. I'm going to throw it away. Let's go something. I'm a bit funny like that. There's some bits in it. Ugh. Starting again with 500 ml. Hopefully this time the egg won't be like minging. See this one. I don't know why I had that thinking. That's better. That's better. Then what's he saying to do? Egg and the pancake mix together, beat into a smooth batter. Alright, so I'm going to need a pair of scissors. Hopefully. So I don't think I need to add milk in here. All of it in here. Okay. So now I'm just going to beat this into a nice consistency. I'm talking, but I'm looking at my daughter. She wants to come in. Come in, Freya. What are you wearing that for? You cold?
Yeah.
And
Let me just go.
you got leggings in your bedroom? There's like in your drawers and stuff.
Okay, then I'll take off these now. There's no point wearing these jeans.
No. So that's the beat in here. Oil into the pot or non-stick frying pan until smoking, and then just basic, really, just self-explanatory. Right, so
Hello,
you're gonna
here.
Freya saying hi.
Hello.
Hello, Freya.
Remember we made cookies and we forgot to put flour, so it stuck to the pan.
Right. So you're talking about the cookies now.
Yes.
So you want to tell everyone about my mishappening.
Yes, story time.
Freya, take this away. Don't step on the floors, please. Dishes. Wash the dishes for me. Wash this spatula. Watch the spatula. Hot enough. I could use the lower calorie oil thing, but I think I need quite a bit of oil here. Not a lot. Basically, that's what you do. I think I put a lot, isn't it? Is that a lot?
That's a bit too much.
That's a bit too much, isn't it? Pancakes.
You just need some to layer it.
Yeah.
Because when you tilt it, there's too much liquid.
Isn't it?
So you need to put a little bit so where
I'm gonna have to.
And then there's no chunks.
Yeah. You're right. I think I put it too much. Careful, Freya.
Just a pinch because you just need to layer it really.
I think the oil's hot now, so I'm gonna put it in the sink. Yeah, because
see, we might need to get enough to layer it, like
in that.
Just you should put a lot. You shouldn't put a lot. Next time.
And how do you pour it? Just pour it like with the.
No, oh my god, no. So basically, it's like pouring a batter.
I need these.
No, you do need that one, right? No.
Yes.
No. Hey, you managed to flip it.
I managed to flip it.
Yeah, but now you're gonna have to unsushi roll it because you're gonna need to put.
Right, it's my strawberries.
Yeah.
So how do I do that then?
Oh my god.
No, leave it.
You're supposed to lift.
I think it's stuck now.
No.
I'll probably eat this one. Just leave this one like that, rolled.
Okay, you're gonna have to wait for that to cool down then. Well, that's ready.
Yeah, now I need to let it cook for a bit. What does it say in the box? How long do you leave it there for?
Actually, you're supposed to leave it there until it gets a bit burnt and brown. Let it brown. It says turn the pancake carefully with a spatula, flip if you dare. Cook both sides until golden brown. What did I tell you? It's golden brown.
Right, first one is ready. Oh, actually I can even roll it. Make it like charutos. You know, like cigars. I think that's one. That's nice.
What's a cigar?
It's not for you to know, but it's for me to know.
Cigarette. Cigarette. Is that what?
No. So,
guys,
that's actually quite a lot. If you have a big family, that pancake mixture should be enough, like for family of 4. Quite a lot in there, I have to say.
See how much a
and it's
tiny
very
bit
smooth
can do.
as well.
See?
Like that.
Yeah.
That is minging pancake. That is not even. That is not what I wanted. Don't follow this girl's advice.
No, listen.
Because
no, you're the one who splattered it. So.
Like this. That is not right, Freya.
Hey,
Look
I'll take
that.
I'll take that one. I'll take that one. I don't care whatever shape. It looks so. Mama, don't scrape it. See, Mama, it's really a nice golden brown. It's meant to look like that. Yeah, Mama, that's really a nice golden brown. Let side fry for a bit. That's my one.
Get a plate, then.
Can I spill it? I want to spill it. I want to spill it. I want to pour it. I want to pour the thing. This is my golden brown pancake.
Freya is having the deformed one.
Discombobulated.
Combobulated one.
A discombobulated one.
A made few so far. Now. Perfect. We have our honey here.
How's yours going?
Alright. How's yours? Would you like it?
Yeah, the strawberries. You can make these pancakes.
Ooh. This one is opened. Open this one. Strawberries. Oh, delicious. How delicious. Guys, it's all done. Oh my god, I can't wait to munch. Oh my god, look at this honey. Honey, look at that. Oh my god, so delish. And I'm going to make also one wrapped with a sort of a ham or something, just to try it out as well. Oh, I had the first bite. Divine, guys. Just divine. That's indeed a great start of the morning, I have to say. I've got here my selection. I made one with what do you call these things? A pork thing. But yeah, ready to munch with my coffee. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love my mug from Freya. What Freya saying? What up, Freya?
Don't forget to use my mum's code CLAUDIAH, all in capitals, on the Essence Vault to get Tony 30% off whatever you buy.
Thank you. Oh God, free plug for my darling daughter. Yes, I'm gonna munch now.
And
Let's just see what's up here, guys. My balcony is ready. I need to decorate this balcony. Make sure you subscribe and
this mug for you.
And yeah, we're gonna have balcony transformation. All right.